Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off red receipts in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here it usually opens up in the feed. Here we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then if we swipe to the right, scroll down to the bottom, we can tap on settings and support, then go into settings and privacy, and then in this section we find privacy and safety. We tap on this. Then here under the Your X activity section we find direct messages. Here if you scroll down to the bottom we find send red receipts. This means that the app is going to show the person that you are messaging that you have read their message. If we turn this off, then the app isn't going to show it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.